beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet, and today is episode 2 of my beauty basics series, and this episode is all about eyeliners. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. There are 5 types of eyeliners which are available in market. The first one is gel eyeliner. Gel eyeliners are basically professionally used. They are very precise and also they are smudge free. Second one is liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner, in my personal opinion, are very hard to use as you cannot control the amount of eyeliner that is coming on your brush. Third one is pen eyeliner. Pen eyeliners are commonly used in today's world and they are very easy to use and they're very precise as well. Fourth one is crayon or pencil eyeliner. They look and work like crayon and I usually use them when I have to give a smudgy effect to my eyeliner. The last type of eyeliner is when we use eyeshadow as an eyeliner. So basically, if you want to give it a little smoky or more of a smudgy look, you can use darker colors of your eyeshadow as eyeliners as well. In today's video, I will show you guys how to create a perfect wing with pen eyeliner, and for that I'm using Maybelline's Master Precise All Day. Pen eyeliners look like marker. They have thinner tip than marker. They're really good to use if you're a beginner as they are very easy to apply and very precise, and they're very easy to control as well. I'm gonna create a rough wing. For that, I'm gonna first draw an angled line towards the outer corner of my brow, and then I'm gonna create a little triangle on the outer corner. So this gives you an idea of the wing, and then I'm gonna go on my inner corner while I'm looking downwards, and I'm gonna create a straight line. And I joined the straight line with the wing on the end. And then with the help of the tip, I'm gonna create a sharp tip on the outer corner of my wing, and then I'm gonna bring it in and fill all the empty spots in my liner. So this is basically how I create my winged liner, and to make it more precise and more neater, I'm gonna go in again and I'm just gonna make the lines more sharper and more edgier. If you feel like your eyeliner went bad at some point or it went out of line, you can always correct it with concealer, and for that you can use the flat brush. So I'm just taking up my flat brush and putting a little concealer on it, and then I'm gonna go over where I found that my eyeliner went off, and with the flat brush I'm gonna blend it into my rest of the foundation. Since I have hooded eyes, the basic idea when I am applying my eyeliner is that when I look down, I'm making sure that my line on the top is straight so that it creates that winged and uplifted effect. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. If you have any suggestions, put them down in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.